So today we will discuss about image sources, and yesterday we have already discussed about that how to insert the image in a web page through the HTML program. But in that, suppose your internet is not working, okay, and you want to show that images. Sometimes you have seen on Google or maybe something else, you have seen on some web pages, whenever you have opened that page and if the images are not visible, the net is not working, or you maybe have some problems with the internet, or maybe the images are not showing on your screen. So in that case, the name is written on that. Yeah, that is this image. Okay, this is for that image. Suppose you are using the mountains images, so the written is, suppose pictures are not showing, so here is a written mountain images. So same thing we will do it on today, and today we will also learn how to change the view of the images from, like the text we are using. The text are coming from right to left or left to right, or maybe in center or the justify alignment. So we will change the alignment of the images. Okay, so let's make a program. So the first is HTML. I think you all know that. Head. These are the common one. Now title, and here you can type your title. Okay. Images. Now we will close the title. I think there is no need to tell you. Now we will also close the head, because our heading work has been completed. Now we will come to that. Now starting our message, the body. Now here we will put the image sources. Okay, so here we will use img src. Okay, here you will put the image path. Now we will go for that the alternate. If we want to put the alternate of the image, now here we can use that. So the path of that alternate is alt equal. So what is the picture? For what you are using that pictures, we can put the name. Okay, name of image. Remember that always put the inverted commas, and now we can close it. So here we are using the alt, that is the alternate, that if the internet is not working, so here we can use the name of the image, which image we are using. Okay, now we can go to that, how we can start that, the alignment of that. So if you want to choose the alignment of that picture, so here we can use the alignment equal to top. So the align, here we can use the top, and if you want to use with that image, so no need to just put these icons. Only you can use like this. From here you can start. Okay, we can use this, and now we can check we want that image should be start from the center, or maybe image should be start from the left. Okay, so these things we can choose. At here we can put that. Okay, we can put this center, the image should be start from the center. Okay, so the image or whatever you are typing, that will come from the center of that screen, center of that web page. Now here we can close first the center. First we have to close the center. The image source is an empty command, empty syntax. Okay, empty tag. So there is no need to close it. We have to just only close the center, which is the container tag. Next one is we have to close the body. In every program, whenever we are writing or whenever we are just typing a program, so after the head and the title completion, after that, whenever when we are just writing our messages, when we are writing the particular thing in the HTML, we have to start from body and the center. We are using the center because we want that our image will start from the center of that page. And alignment should be top. The image should be start from the top. If we will write at left, so the image will start from the left side, or if we will put that bottom, so that image will be in the bottom of that web page. So now we can put that, here we have closed the center and here we have closed the body because our message has been complete. Now we will close that, the HTML. Now a program has been completed. Now we will just put the image path. Under image path, I have already told you how to copy that. Just go to the picture section, right click on that and go to the properties and then move to the details, and then you will see the image path and then put it at here. Write the picture's name or image name. For what purpose you are using that image. Put that name at here. With the help of the alternate, so if the internet is not working, then the name will shown instead of your picture. So if picture will nahi dikhegi, so then the name of that picture will be shown at your web page. So this is for that. Center we are using for the center alignment. Picture should be start from the center, and top alignment we are using. The picture will start from the top. If we will use for the left side, this is the alignment. Okay, like seen in the MS Word or maybe in the PowerPoint, whenever you are typing the text, so you have seen the left alignment and the right alignment, justifies, and the central alignment. So we are using the central alignment, and here we are using the where we will start our picture, where the picture will be shown. So this is the top alignment. We are just showing that pictures on the top of that web page, and now the center has been closed because center work has been done. Now body, the message of the has been closed, so we will close the body, and now the HTML. So start working on that program and check the errors. If the errors are coming, so we will just clear that.